If a picture is worth 1,000 words, a video could change someone's life. And the story told in this video strikes at the heart of every baby boomer. Let's watch it together.
One of the criticisms of the anti-sugar scientists is that too much of their evidence comes from animals, not humans. That said, here at Brown University in Rhode Island, they're doing studies they think should make a lot of humans nervous. This rat is perfectly healthy. Put him in a vat of water and he finds his way to safety every time.
5.2.
Now, look at this guy. What he's been eating is the equivalent of a North American diet, complete with all the fats and sugars we regularly consume. He doesn't know where to go. His brain has been damaged.
These rats were totally normal, and then they turned into demented animals.
I know this video has been copied and reproduced. It's over 10 years old. But let's talk about the experiment for a moment. The water is cloudy, so the rat can't see the platform under the surface. The rats need to use external cues in the environment to locate the hidden platform. This tests both navigation as well as learning and memory. Both rats were trained previously and were proficient in finding the platform. The first rat, who ate standard rat chow, beelined to that island because it remembered the way to the platform in 5.2 seconds. The second rat, who consumed a diet equivalent to the standard American diet, acted like it was in the pool for the very first time, and it took 36.2 seconds, 7 times longer. For years, researchers have been saying one of the components of Alzheimer's is insulin resistance. You may have even heard Alzheimer's nicknamed type 3 diabetes. But why does the American diet have such a profound effect on how we think, how we feel, and how we learn? One reason is that food plays a powerful role on our microbiome, and our microbiome can be a major source of systemic inflammation, which means brain inflammation. My friend and colleague, Dr. Devaki Berkson, shared something that she just learned about biomes. You have multiple biomes inside breast tissue, lungs, brain, vagina, prostate. You even have biomes inside your eyes, but this is the least populated of all biomes. The Cleveland Clinic has found that women with breast cancer have different or unhealthy breast biomes compared to healthy controls who do not have breast cancer. But breast biome health, like all other biomes, is greatly influenced by the biome health inside your gut. Most tissues have biomes. These biomes get signals, healthy or unhealthy, from your gut biomes. Healthy gut biomes also make essential nutrients. These essential nutrients help keep gut biomes and the signals they send to diverse biomes functioning as they should. Our gut and all the busy chatting signals it sends to biomes far and wide has evolved to depend on nutrients that healthy gut microbial life produces. The typical American diet is loaded with processed foods which do not contain fiber-rich foods to feed your gut microbes. So, even though you eat, your gut microbes starve. Starving unhealthy gut biomes send off unhealthy signals. That's the part that caught my attention. Starving, unhealthy gut biomes send off unhealthy signals to other parts of our body. Maybe it's these unhealthy signals are what contribute to excess inflammation in the brain. Regardless of the mechanism, highly processed foods devoid of fiber, phytonutrients, healthy fats and minerals affect the way we think and feel. And based on these and other experiments just like this one, food affects how we learn and remember. You can see a link to the right where we discuss that parts of the brain can regenerate through a process called neurogenesis. To stimulate and control neurogenesis, certain chemicals called neurotrophins are involved. One of the most exciting factors and one of the most active is a protein called BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor. And it turns out that calorie restriction and exercise are two ways to increase BDNF. Another way to increase BDNF is with fish oil, specifically the DHA fraction. As a reminder, Biotics Research has the cleanest, freshest, most concentrated fish oil on the market. You can see a link to the right to understand why. There's also a link that discusses DHA, anti-aging for the brain. Food is medicine, And no matter how we rationalize it, when we eat overprocessed, fake food loaded with sugar, bad fats, and hidden chemicals, we poison enzymes and starve our microbiome. And I, for one, am thankful for the people or educational videos that remind me. Thanks for watching today. I look forward to being with you again next Tuesday.